Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to the first online tutorial Universitas Terbuka. Back with me, Pak Zakaria Bintang. This week, you will learn about English sentence structure. You will also learn how to translate English to Indonesian. Please learn all of the material on the module 1. By the end of this course, you are expected to be able to identify and understand about English sentence structure. So please learn the material carefully and participate actively on the discussion forum. Remember, you are not allowed to do plagiarism. That's all from me. Thank you so much. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.